Okay, let's start from create number for each scenario: cost inflation, price growth, and volume growth. Then create sequence of file to use with constant growth rate. So this is just multiply and power by 125 here, then sum here, copy to everything else can be used here, and this one I need to change the growth rate to cell this one and lock cell. Okay, I can use this one with fixed cost and also SG&A. Just delete this one. Then go back to core business revenue. So volume multiplied by price divide 1000, and then plus board revenue here. Then this is volume from above. Then fixed cost per unit, so just divide by unit, multiply by 1000, and sum everything for total cost per unit. Then variable cost, unit price multiplied by volume, and total cost just plus 2 cost here, and then percentage of each cost just divide by total cost, copy above. Then revenue from above. Then I'm go straight to EBITDA, which is revenue minus cost of sale minus SG&A here, and EBITDA growth. So this year divide previous year minus 1, and margin is EBITDA divide by revenue, and then normal average, so just do the average. Then mean. So this mean I need to plus 1 and minus 1. Oh wait, I need to 1, not 41 here. Okay. Then first 11 question, just use sequence of 11, and for fast I'll use reference from this sheet. Go back here. Then first question, sale price 26. Yeah. Volume, total volume, revenue 24, variable cost 25, and total fixed cost, variable cost 23, fixed cost 26, and percent fixed cost of 26, and then SG&A 23. Sum of EBITDA, so everything. Then simple growth, just do the average, and geomain growth here. And then we need 25 EBITDA margin. Then fixed cost per unit 26. Then 26 revenue and total volume. Then cut this to this sheet here, and 3 scenarios, so sequence of 3. Then use data table, change the cell here F7, and then last location. Again, use the reference, so I just pull some number from here and select. First one is from best worst case, and then this from best case. Base minus worst, and then percentage change base divide by base minus 1. Done. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.